It's your girl Kiara, finally back with another video. I'm about I'm about to do the smacking, making noise while I eat prank on Quint. Y'all gotta hurry up cause he coming. We finna eat. We got our Sonics right here, and your girl just finna be making all kind of noise. Let's get into this video. So loud. You put the ranch on there? Why did you do me like that? I was just like, my. Why? I was looking on this, but we got that cheap He's so fake. Y'all so achy. Heat off. I know you been my food. You're home now. They hard. They're more than 6 too, aren't it? Ain't first then. You get you no burger. Let's take them back.
Yeah, right. Can't be getting a thing. Ain't got the bricks. Fuck out of me, right.
He mad. He gone back to Sunday, so he said his food too hard. So I'm probably gonna put my food in the microwave and do it when he get back. It's that deep to me, y'all. But let me say Sunday close because it's like 9:56. We'll be back when he get back.
One eternity later.
So mad. He just gave Harmon his chili cheese fries. He ain't even buy him nothing else to eat. He just in there cooking him some noodles. So I know he mad. I'm trying to see do I still want to get on his nerves right now. But we taking care of, so we don't care whether you mad or not. We still gonna prank him. Mark just I hear her and she just said that and my mom got the camera on. She give me away, y'all. Come on. My burger's still hot. I'm trying to what's the fire? You seen me from? Over there. You smell them noodles for? What's wrong with it?
Damn, Kiara.
My bad. Wait. Somebody, they pop like that. I'm hungry. I just got hungry. I was hungry when we first started eating. It crunchy.
I'm telling you.
It mush on it. Mm. Ooh, what it did?
Yeah, man, you get going there, you ain't like that.
Oh, wow.
Why you looking at my face? You that.
What are you mad for?
Cause you looking at me.
You me mad at folks at Sunday. I ain't make no food though.
Stop looking at me.
Okay. Okay. Dang. My joint. My mouth probably too dry. Probably why I'm smacking like this. So I ain't about to say them some Indians, ain't it? Look parched. So you can see slight. You slight one. Man, I want none. I want none.
Yeah, you showing out now. You need to go in there and eat.
What am I going there for?
Cause you smacking and stuff. I ain't know you never ate before.
I'm a little hungry, baby.
Well, you need to go in there and eat by yourself. Don't nobody want to hear that.
I don't want to go to the table.
What?
I don't want to go to the table.
You need to go over there somewhere.
Fried good.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, my bad. Hold on. I'm finna eat this over. Dang. I'm falling on that. My bad. Why you so mad for? You must really want to win. This is me. Oh! This chili hit it right. My bad. Oh!
Let me get your ass out of here. Your big ass head. Get on me now. I ain't even play with your big stuff, man. Come on, man. Get back.
Stop talking to me like that. Hold on, man. Back on too parched. Yeah, you look it up like this. Hold on. Get smart again. Beat that shirt off me. Whew.
Yeah.
Strong. You know, Sprite, that drink be strong. to eat this Sunday no more. You gonna have me acting like this. But
Can you get out of here?
why? What do? Oh, my bad. It's my neck. Oh, let me make it soft. I'm trying to smack stove.
Can you go in there and eat?
Let me get out of here.
Can you go in there?
Okay, hold on.
Dang.
Babe, I'm trying to do it soft. What do you mean? What you mad for? He got an attitude, y'all. I was just trying to prank you while you didn't got an attitude. So you don't want your food now? Corn. It was just a prank. It was only a prank. But it was the making noise while I'm eating food prank. You ain't gonna tell them what kind? Nothing. So you just ain't gonna eat. Queen.
TV up.
Talk to the more guy. Y'all see how he acting. And that little stinking attitude. Well, y'all, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to join the more gang. See y'all next time.